When Jamaica hits a big storm or economic shock, could the IMF save us? And if it does, what happens next? The IMF is like a big international money bank. Countries join it, and when trouble hits like big debt, disaster, or a foreign currency crash, they can borrow money and agree to rules. Jamaica has been a member since 1963. It means support but with conditions. With storms like Melissa, infrastructure fractures, tourism dips, dollars drop. Jamaica needs USD reserves, and when those aren't enough, the government turns to the IMF to plug the gap. For example, in March 2023, the IMF approved a major package for Jamaica, about US 968 million via the precautionary and the liquidity line, US 764 million via the resilience. So yes, the government can use the IMF when trouble strikes. But here's the trade-off with IMF support comes conditions. Jamaica would have to keep strict budget rules, possibly freeze public wages, raise taxes, cut spending. In past IMF programs, Jamaica went from debt to GDP over 140% and turned it into a story of debt reduction. The upside, stronger economy, better credibility, more investment. The downside, less flexibility, tighter money, maybe higher cost of living. So when you hear Jamaica might go to the IMF, don't panic. It's a rescue line, but ask yourself, would you rather take that line now or fix the system so we don't need a rescue later? Drop your thoughts below.